airplane motions. Okay, external rotation, internal rotation. So working the glutes, draw forward like a single leg deadlift but with your arms out wide. So this is your airplane starting position. We're going to go into external rotation where we're going to open up our arms and rotate or externally rotate the hip. Okay, so open and out. From there, then you're going to set up and go from the external to internal. So you're going to come across your body, bring the foot around, hip around, as well as your arms back to the start position. Again, if you can do full rotations,